say what? What is your name? Martin! Martin! I said, pardon me. What are you doing here? New people are not welcome, especially around these neck of the woods. I've never seen you before. So maybe you should just go away unless you don't want to tell me your name. My name is Butt Cheese. Did you just say your name is Butt Cheese? Butt Cheese. You're telling me your name is Butt Cheese. Are you friggin' kidding me? Who would name their kid Butt Cheese? Oh, wow, okay, there, Butt Cheese. You know, we don't like new people around here, and so you know. My name is Grumpy Jesse, and I'm the boss around here. And you're gonna have to prove your loyalty, respect, and honor around here for me to even consider you being a friend. Okay, Butt Cheese? What do you feel about that? Okay, Butt Cheese, you can hang around for a little while, but I'll be watching you. And, you know, just watch your step, Butt Cheese. Go away now, Butt Cheese. I'll see you again on another day. Go away, Butt Cheese. Just go away for now. Jeez, the nerve of some people just showing up out of the blue like that. Who does he think he is? On with my walk.
Just after work, I'm going to do a quick carving on this piece of BC cottonwood here. British Columbia, Canada cottonwood bark. I'm just going to film it quick and see if I'm going to try a new way to upload and edit videos. If it turns out, I'll upload it. I'm using my Dremel Kutzall Extreme Burr. This is the flame bit on my Dremel flex shaft, 1/8. And to clean up the bark, I'm going to use my 1/4 inch Dremel Extreme Flame Burr on my Fordham SR series. Okay, so let's see if I can get it to work. So yeah, I don't know what his name is, but so yeah, I don't know, but maybe we'll be able to figure it out in the future. It looks like he's going to be sticking around for a little while. Grumpy Jesse didn't kick his butt yet, so who knows. Anyways, thanks for watching the full video, guys, if you made it to here. And if you want to see how to make a wood spirit, go into the descriptions. I have a step-by-step tutorial how to make a wood spirit my style. Follow lots of different channels, guys, and look at different carvers out there. Don't just follow this one. And step by step in progress. The more you do, the better you're going to get, absolutely. And if you want to like this video, that's awesome. If you want to share it, go for it. I'd love it. And it'd be wicked if you could be a subscriber, because we're going to have more detailed carvings, more giveaways, and all that kind of great stuff happening. So I hope everybody's good, and I hope you're going to have a good weekend. It's Friday here, but I'm working tomorrow. I can't do it anymore.